We are ABRA, the Brazilian Renderers Association. In partnership with Apex-Brasil, the Brazilian Trade and Investment Promotion Agency, we created the project Brazilian Renderers, through which we promote animal meals, fats, blood products, hydrolyzed proteins, palatability enhancers, and other animal non-edible products. They are used as ingredients in formulating feeds for animal production, including pet food, and as fats to produce biofuels. All that allows us to showcase the quality and excellence of the Brazilian industry to the world. ABRA and the Brazilian Renderers Project combine a wide network of industries that transform the byproducts of animal slaughter and meat processing not intended for human consumption, such as bones, meat trims, fat, offal, feather, blood, and scales. Every year, industries process millions of tons of these byproducts, which then become animal meals and fats. Also, they are all strictly compliant with the Brazilian law, ensuring that these byproducts get to the factories quickly in clean and sealed trucks. Do you know what comes from this safe processing? Products rich in proteins, essential amino acids, and minerals, such as phosphorus and calcium. Including these ingredients in the compositions also optimizes costs. Check out how much was saved in chicken, laying hens, swine, fishes, and shrimps. Broilers, including 3 to 8% animal meals and fats, reduce feed costs by up to 6%. Laying hens and swine, including 2.5 to 5% animal meals and fats, reduce feed costs by up to 5%. Fish and shrimp, 5 to 50% of animal meals and fats can be included in fish and shrimp feed. The result? Digestibility and better feed conversion, since these ingredients strengthen immunity, breeding, and meat quality. And how about our pet friends, huh? Cats and dogs also benefit. Feed with up to 40% animal meals and fats do not only bring more energy, it also means immunity, health skin and hairs, and more years of life. This without mentioning palatability. The feed tastes much better and is spontaneously accepted without needing artificial enhancers or synthetic additives. And do you know what makes it all possible? Our ability to produce. Brazil is one of the largest producers of animal protein in the world, ensuring high-quality raw materials all year round. The secret lays in the efficiency of our chain, which practices the circular bioeconomy. Avoids that slaughter byproducts pollute soil, water, and air. That's right. Animal rendering helps to save the planet. It allows to keep our cities clean, reduce the amount of waste in landfills, and look at that, recover 1 liter of water from each 2 kilograms of byproducts processed. We make sure that the air returned to the environment is free from pollutants. And we go beyond. We turn meals into biofertilizers for the soil. What about fats? They are known as zero carbon in Brazil. And are turned into biofuels, used even to produce aviation sustainable fuels. Oh, there's yet another interesting piece of information. It is possible to measure the greenhouse gas emissions of animal byproducts and certify their environmental benefits. Check out the numbers. 13.6 million tons of byproducts processed per year. More than 10,000 tons of carbon dioxide avoided per year worldwide, equivalent to 10,100 round-trip passenger flights between New York and London. over 38,000 tons of methane avoided in the atmosphere per year, equivalent to 1,040,000 round-trip journeys per passenger between New York and London. Our work also directly contributes to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The millions of dollars in exports are proof of our strong presence on all continents. Our products are reliable, safe, and used by global customers. The reason for this is crystal clear. The quality of Brazilian products is renowned all over the world. We have a modern industrial park equipped with high technology, ready to customize products suitable for the needs of each client. We produce meals with different protein content, minerals, and high digestibility. And the most important, all done with absolute health safety. Self-control for safety and quality. Standard operating procedure. Good manufacturing. Practice sanitation standard operating procedures. Hazard analysis critical control point. Our companies are registered, inspected, monitored, and certified by the Brazilian Ministry of Agriculture. We guarantee full traceability from the source of the animal byproducts to the finished product. In this regard, Brazil is renowned by the World Organization for Animal Health as a country with full sanitary conditions for exports, free from the diseases most known for affecting herds. Brazil is free from Newcastle disease, avian influenza, African swine fever. 99% of the pig herd is located in a classical swine fever-free area. Foot and mouth disease. Also, Brazil is negligible risk for bovine spongiform encephalopathy. And the WOA classified protein meals as safe commodities for international trade. Brazil is also a signatory to the Codex Alimentarius International Food Standards. And there's more. Our industries have excellent logistics, strategically located, and with easy access to the most important ports in Brazil. All of this is the result of combined efforts of several companies that have come together to develop this industry and provide the best solutions for customers. Now you have a much broader view of our sector and all the opportunities it offers. Rest assured, we know how to get the best out of animal byproducts with maximum quality and responsibility. We transform byproducts into value, strengthening the circular bioeconomy, saving resources, and feeding the future with sustainability. Brazilian animal rendering products are a great business for you, for us, and for the whole world.